So sigma n is equal to sum of the first n natural numbers n into n plus 1 by 2. Sigma n square, sum of the squares of first n natural numbers n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Sigma n cube is equal to sum of the squares cubes of first n natural numbers n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. So here sigma 1 means constant, so 1 is repeated n times, so 1 plus 1 plus like this, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is repeated n times. So what is this total result? N, sigma 1. So sigma of constant number is n. If you take an as like this, sigma 2 means sigma 2 into 1, so it can be written as 2 times of sigma 1, so 2 into n 2n, like that. Okay, now observe one example problem. Find the sum of n terms of the series. Find the sum of n terms of the series 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5 plus so on. So solution, if you multiply 1 into 2 into 3, 6 24 60. If you multiply these terms not in AP, so that's why don't multiply here. This is one term, this is another term, this is a third term. Okay, so different terms are there here. So each term having 3 factors. Here this term having 3 factors, here also having 3 factors, here also having 3 factors, means each factor having 3 factors. From 3 factors, take as first factor of each term of the series. So taken as first factors of each term of the series. So first factor 1 here, 2 here, 3 4 5 like that. This is R in AP. This is the AP series. So here asking sum of n terms, so we have to find nth term of this series. First factors nth term. Here A is equal to 1, D is equal to T2 minus T1, so 2 minus 1, D is equal to 1, so Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, so 1 plus n minus 1 into 1, so 1 plus n minus 1, we get n. So nth term of first factors is n. So next taken as second factors of each term of the series. Second factors of each term of the series. Second factors means 2 3 4 2 3 4, next one 5 6 like that. So these are also in AP. This is also AP series. So here A is equal to, first term A is equal to 2, common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1, so 3 minus 2 it becomes 1, T is equal to 1. So here also find nth term of the series. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, so 2 plus n minus 1 into D value is 1, so 2 plus n minus 1 n plus 1. This is nth term of the second factors. Similarly, we have to find nth term of the third factors here 3 4 5, next one 6. So third factors of each term, third factors of each term of the series 3 4 5 6 so on are in A. So here also we have to find nth term. So A is equal to 3 first term, D is equal to T2 minus T1, so D is equal to 4 minus 3, it becomes 1, so Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. 3 plus n minus 1 into 1. So 3 plus n minus 1, n plus 2. This is nth term of the third factors. So therefore nth term of the series Tn is equal to first factors nth term is n into second factors nth term is n plus 1 into third factors nth term is n plus 2. So n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. This is nth term of the series, given series. But asking sum of the nth term of the series, sum of the nth term. So sum of the nth term is represented with Sn. Sum of nth term, sum of n terms. Sum of n terms of the series. Sn is equal to sigma. Apply sigma of nth term. Okay. Sum of the nth term of the series. So apply sigma of nth term of the series. This is nth term of the series. So apply sigma, then you get sum of n terms of the series. So sigma of n of n square plus 2n plus n plus 2. So sigma n cube 3n, 3n plus n, 3n square plus 2n. So apply sigma each term, each and every term. So sigma n cube 3 into sigma n square plus 2 into sigma n. Sigma n cube. Sigma n cube. Sigma into 3n square means this is 3 is constant, 3 sigma n square plus 2 sigma n. Sigma n cube, what is the formula sigma n cube? N square n plus 1 whole square by 4. 3 into sigma n square, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. 2 into sigma n, n into n plus 1 by 2. So n square n plus 1 whole square by 4. n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 2. 2n into n plus 1 by 2. So LCM is 4. n square n plus 1 whole square. 2n of n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 plus 4n of n plus 1. So now by taking common n into n plus 1. So n into n plus 1 by taking common, we are left n into n plus 1 plus n into n plus 1 means 2 into 2n plus 1, 4 by 4 here. So n into n plus 1 by 4, n square plus n, 4n plus 2 plus 4. So n into n plus 1 by 4, n square plus 5n plus 6. Now this is resolved into factors. Then we get n plus 2 into n plus 3. So final result n into n plus 1 into these factors are n plus 2 into n plus 3. You know it, this one. So n plus 2 into n plus 3 by 4. n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 by 4.